I realized that what was missing in my life up until this point was true authenticity and being able to really allow myself to unravel in the presence of another. When you said that this True Warrior Embodiment workshop was about unleashing and activating and being that and facing your fears head on, I said, yeah, baby, let's do it. There's so much fear that comes into play of not being good enough, not knowing enough. I have this fear of being perfect. And I realized that, your true power does come from within. And whenever you feel safe and loved from the heart space, all of the other things just melt away. When you said, hey, the camera's rolling, are you okay with us recording it? And I was like, fuck it, we're here. And that's how I want to view life, like, fuck it, I'm here. My biggest takeaway from this workshop is that I'm enough, and that I've always been enough, and that I'm fucking badass, and that I'm capable of anything. And being able to feel that and truly feel that is such a gift. Christine is multidimensional. The way that she was able to pull me into presence in the meditations, I was able to visualize the dreams that I've always held for myself and see them as reality and not just in the distance. I was able to really integrate and see what I'm capable of. She has this presence of nurturing, really truly embodiment of Mother Earth energy, strong and steady, and also this activation of pulling out who you are at your core. She created such a beautiful space. I felt really safe, I felt very seen, and I felt extremely empowered having her there. Or who would I recommend this to? I mean, anyone who's ready to fucking level up in their life and truly go for it. If you have something that you're wanting to work through, if you're feeling stuck, if you're feeling unmotivated, if you're feeling like you're right here but you need something to get you here, this is for you. This is for people who are ready to really make an impact and who know that they're here to make an impact and they need the guidance and the push to make that impact. Being in the company of this embodiment workshop and being able to tap into that and feel that for yourself. If you're ready to experience that, this workshop is for you. If you're looking for guidance, if you're looking for support, if you're looking for that next level, this workshop is for you. And I just had this today and I promise you won't be disappointed. It's next level. It's amazing. After this workshop, I feel confident. I feel very sure of who I am and what I came here to do. And that feels fucking good. Being able to see how you're able to show up and be seen in those ways really translates into how you show up in the world. Thank you so much for living this life of authenticity and vulnerability and for giving us permission to do the same. I just want to say I'm so excited for everyone to experience this fucking magic. It's going to transform a lot of people's lives, and I'm so blessed to have been a part of it.